sit-to-stand motion is obviously a very important motion as a precursor for independence and performing EDLs or activities of daily living. And there have been a lot of studies that look at the design of the chair, specifically things like the seat height and placement and use of backrest. But with regards to armrests specifically, they've only shown that armrests are useful or helpful in getting them to stand up. But no one's actually looked at finding out what exactly the optimal variables to help them stand up. So we want to find out these optimal variables, and we're looking at things like the height, the width, the depth at which they're grabbing the armrest, and also looking at different profiles where we can change the armrest angles and to inform us about better armrest design.
Sure. Great. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
and this is your rig. So the idea is that you'll be able to adjust this to test all those parameters that you're talking about.
Yeah.
So very.
This is so right now I'm working on designing and building the armrest test bed that actually allows us to study all these variables.
Right. And so this is part of your clinical engineering. It's an internship. Is that what we call it? Yeah. And so that's how long? So you're
it's like 4 months.
So that's a good example of one of the projects. So sort of the projects that we have in our lab. So 4 months. So you're starting kind of from scratch, but you're kind of building on the setup that Dan had for his sit-to-stand study. So you had something to work with, but most of this you've designed from scratch.
Yeah.
Cool.